Good morning, beautiful peeps. How are you doing? And I really mean, how are you doing? Today, weather permitting, I'm hoping to cook some jerk chicken back and sirloin steak. So rich people food and
poor people food.
Bumps in our So right now, I've already cleaned up the meat. And I just want to season them. So there's my 2 sirloin steaks, and then the rest is my chicken back. And I'm going to blend my own
doing
seasoning.
it separately?
No, they're going to be seasoned together.
Okay.
So here goes.
Oh, you were saying you're going to blend up your...
Yeah, I'm going to make...
And remember not to say guys.
I'm not saying guys, I'm taking on the Taylor Fam's challenge. So Mark, here you go. For this whole video, I won't say anything about yes guys or hey guys. No. All right. So I'm going to blend everything together. I'm using a piece of red sweet pepper. That's going in. Putting in some scallion and this lovely one name again, celery. Give a nice flavor. Onion, ginger, garlic, thyme.
This is going to be a high class chicken back jerk.
High class chicken back gone up in a society with sirloin steak. Alright, just so that it have little liquids to start move. Oh, me put Miss powder season them in the front now to bite as well.
Oh.
So this one is mixed herbs. Just blending everything together. A teaspoon of that. The powdered garlic for some reason have a nice flavor, so I put in some of that too. Teaspoon too. I'm using some ground pimento.
And I see you also have jerk seasoning.
I might put some of that in there depending on the flavor of this. Alright.
That I got hot enough.
Okay. Cayenne pepper, guys. Not only spicy and hot and nice too, good for health. Cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
So a teaspoon of that too. So if you notice, I'm not going to bother with the Scotch bonnet pepper today.
Not that we don't have, we have in our freezer.
Yeah, I could have added a little browning too, but we'll see if it needs it. I'm going to make a sauce later with barbecue and so on to put on it, so it might not need this browning. Right, just so it has something in there to work with to start it off.
A little water.
Bit of water. Put the lid on.
You haven't plugged it in yet, you know.
No, I haven't. Ready, steady, go. Now what gives it that lovely rich color?
The
red pepper, sweet pepper. So this is how they make a peri-peri sauce as well. So it has some color. Yeah, red pepper. So next time, guys, you're mixing up a blend. It doesn't have to be green seasoning. It can be red. Some red pepper. And as you see the color of this, and by the time it's jerked as well, I won't need any browning. Alright, guys. I'm going to just taste this a little. See if it's spicy enough.
I don't think it will be. It will be flavorsome, but not spicy, not like hot spicy. Nice?
Yeah, really, really nice, but not really spicy.
So put some of the jerk.
A little bit of the jerk. Got a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Because it's not just wee one.
It's a whole heap of, it's just 2 sirloin steak, you know, guys, and 1 whole heap of chicken back.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And I'm going in with my hands to get it masticated, marinated, manipulated in every groove, nook and cranny. Sirloin steak. Yeah. Tastes nice. You know what need? Salt. We forgot that.
We have salt on our trolley though.
Can you sprinkle some in, please?
Here's salt.
Because my hand them nosy up now. Sprinkle.
When to stop.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Stop. Make sure you hold my camera firm, you know, and make it look shaky, make people think me, make them seasick.
Make them drum. Smell good though, smell really rich and nice. You think it's not cooked yet?
Steak go nice. So guys, I'm going to show you what outside look like.
You said the bad word.
Word. Oh, peeps. Sorry. Taylor Farms, you win. Alright, people, we're going to show you what outside look like. I don't know if the weather going to allow us today, but that is the aim. This will be marinating for at least an hour. Maybe 2 or 3 or 4, depending on the rain.
And if it rains, guys, then tomorrow is always another day. Okay? It can stay in the fridge marinating, and that will make it even richer.
Yeah. So there you go.
Yeah, so let me show you outside, guys.
Yeah.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Show the sky.
So the weather not looking too good. Kind of look like blue skies, like how they're nice, but it's not cold either, but just no sun. We want to see the sun. So if there's sun, we're gonna go out there today and we're gonna barbecue some chicken back.
Jerk.
And jerk it.
And by the way, we don't know what we're eating with yet.
Oh yeah. But we'll see. Something I have to make. We have corn. Corn on the cob.
Jerk chicken back on the corn.
Oh, we can do jerk corn too.
Boy.
How we did see do that again? Tell us in the comments if you ever see anybody do jerk corn. We have some corn.
We can bake dumpling.
Or we can bake dumpling too. Same place out there. There's the barbecue. Oh, sorry about that, peeps. There's the barbecue waiting to be used. So we'll see. So guys, oh sorry Taylor. Sorry Mark. There's a little easing in the coolness and overcast condition. Every now and again, guys,
sun come out.
Every now and again, peeps, sun come out. So
then it gone.
We're gonna try it, light it now. I don't think you must put any more than that to start. We have 2 candles. That's going to be the starting flame. And I can still also look some brum. Windy too. Windy.
How much is this? Catch you back when you light, yeah? If you light today.
It will light today. Yeah. Looks lit to me. So we had to resort to some coconut husk from last year. But the fire is doing well. Ready?
Peeps, look catch too, no?
Yeah, look catch to me.
So I want to spread out a little.
No part, no separate them too far though. Fire must then near to other fire to catch.
It only takes a spark to get the fire going.
Yeah, we think that's good now. Peeps, so we're gonna put on the grill. Yeah, we're good to go.
True. Warm it up, yeah.
So make it go and warm up, and then we put in
meat. So we'll put the trolley out here?
Yeah, our outdoor trolley.
So we might need some for it, but not yet.
No.
Take out. Or need them, put it in.
Yeah. Alright, we are going, guys. No penalty. Peeps. Yeah, ready for action. Let's come closer. Yeah, it kind of look enough, like. And look how the beef change color, like you marinate. Deal with it. I don't think so. You have to do it like that, you know. Do as much. Me do as much as can fit on there. What do you think? No holy permit this.
Put all light. The chicken, but now I meat pan in there. Remember.
But can it fit?
We in charge of make it fit. And I hit. In charge.
Left them two them and make we have another one tomorrow.
Barbecue tomorrow?
Yeah.
No girl. No my girl, put it on. Cause you know what? When it's all done, fire just ready.
Yeah, we can wet it up with some of that every now and again. Looking good. Yeah, cover her up now, make she do her thing. Yeah. So giving a first turn, guys. I'm kinda hungry, I don't know how I manage. I think I'm going to have an orange while I wait.
For a reason, the people them about a certain matter.
How we want to reason with them about?
So yeah.
Oi. People know hear that? Sirloin steak and chicken back. No, you can make a song for them.
Okay.
Sirloin steak and chicken back. Went to a party. Sirloin steak and chicken back. Went to a party. Part 2 are yours. I'm going to max out my orange because patta take long. And in the meantime, Joban inside gone need the flour to make the roast dumpling. Don't give her a penalty today. No penalties. She's allowed to go in her own kitchen to get some flour and knead it. Yeah. Now come, let us check on the fire. Turn you around. How we look? We look good. Well, I hope you've been watching it now and make it something blaze up. Can, water if you need the dumpling. To make the roast dumpling. Smelling up the place. Smelling good. Now I see a piece of chicken back that look like it might be in a too much fire, people. It's a chicken back in a burn. May I drop it? No, drop it. Turn your over. Boy. Here's my little piece here. Yes, let us see. It's hot though enough. Oh, it is the kid. Oh, pepper tastes nice, funny. Can I throw the rest of something there? Rest of sauce? Rest of marinade. And then, me go make me telling you. Me think throw the rest of the marinade pan now, you know the one with the chicken season with. But after that, I'll show you a nice marinade where you can make. You can use orange, you can use like a beer, you can whatever you want, honey, you make it up and put in it. Don't make nobody Pineapple
tell you what
juice.
What you do in your kitchen. We have some pineapple juice.
Yeah.
I'll show you. I'll show you. Fruity juice. Alright, put on the can somewhere. Oh no. Done with the
when the meat done, we can put it on the side,
deal
make
with
it
the
keep.
raw meat.
Yeah, and when it done, we put it on the side, make it one keep warm. Then we deal with dumpling, roast dumpling, and can.
Yeah. Alright, show me the dumpling part. I go and knead the flour now.
I mean that taste meat, you know. I have to wash me out. Hold on, right back. I'll stay here and make sure no fly goes in my pot. Well, not the pot, but the flour things. Wash your hand quick and come.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. You put salt in there?
Put the salt and put in it. But you not put in the can?
I don't think so, no.
Alright.
When they done, we draw them over.
Alright.
Boss flour kneader is here.
Alright, me put the can on there, so. Oh, me leave the flour. This up in the flour.
You are?
Cassava flour.
Never see you carry it.
Oh, hold on there. Sorry.
It's a lucky thing today, it's not a penalty day.
Okay, I say me Gary.
Yep.
It's called Gary. Well, maybe it's not the brand. The brand is Island Sun.
It's just another name for
ground cassava.
cassava.
So greater cassava, so I'm going to use that. That should give it a wicked flavor. So in there I just have plain flour and a little piece of butter. I'm going to add the Gary.
Not too much. No, sir. Alright. Kind of coarse. To me, coarse. Some salt.
This is pink salt. Mix it up, mix it with a little piece of butter. I think it will nice with the butter, not true?
Yeah, man. To give it a nice flavor.
I'll roast it,
And go well with we jerk chicken back and jerk steak. Sirloin steak.
And then I'm excited about this sauce, you know, when I go brush my nose.
Yeah.
Put all a little everything where you have. You know, as long as they're not poison.
Yeah, carry them out here and show?
Creative, yeah.
Alright.
So mix up the like, be creative and blend up a thing and put it on. When you use this coarse cassava, by the way, hard to get it.
Yeah, right consistency because it absorbs a lot of water. It is very coarse to me.
Yeah.
I suppose because it grate a long time and dry out. Take a lot of water. And even sometimes when you need it and then put it down, it tough again.
You hear my water fountain? Show them.
Show me we fountain. It's a beautiful day, by the way, peeps, so far. Yeah. Fountain, I said 1. Hear that? Yeah. So back to the flour. It need and look like it's soft.
Yeah.
But it might still. Yeah. But anyway, cover it down and leave it.
Leave it and then I go farm and roast. Or bake. A bake I call it a roast.
Whichever one. Which one you call it, people? That will go up on the grill. Right with the coal under it. So is that bake or roast? Check back. Orange. Peri sauce. Little pineapple sauce. Juice. Pineapple juice. Bullseye New York Steakhouse barbecue sauce. We match the sirloin steak. Alright. That we're going to mix into. We have some special edition Grace Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce. That special edition. I don't know why. Grace sitting on the 100.
Yeah.
So maybe the 100th year.
And the good old ketchup. May I rinse out this.
We have more ketchup, Joe?
No, we don't have more ketchup.
So don't use a little ketchup left?
Alright, me use the plate. You have one knife? Alright, me sure now me max up this sauce. Yeah. Then once the sauce make, oh, meat a go on with one
bag of things.
Burn.
Look, peeps, one bag of things.
Me juke this steak and see. Juke it. If you see, clear liquid
red
spring up.
Yeah,
It's good. If a red liquid, you know good.
That
pizza,
one, not do yet.
Not do yet. Although some people like for them one
rare, but we're not the rare thing.
No, we're not the rare. Yeah, so let me make up the sauce.
Put it on them. Move them over. And put on dumpling on the can. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. They look good. Yeah. Bumps. Boops me go so.
Bumps and set on it.
Yep.
No good?
Yeah.
So, on orange, as me say, don't make nobody tell us that this a figure, you can't put this or you can't put that.
Put where you want your food, your kitchen. Just if like the seed go in there, try scrape them out.
So my pineapple juice.
Man, you throw it. Pineapple juice in. Put like a peri-peri marinade, which is hot. Level of spice and flavor hot. If we can get it warm. Yeah. Alright. Hot enough. That one hot.
Alright, eat the little. Little
You not forget no ketchup, Joe. And none not gonna left out of that.
What's our tops? Alright. Save the rest one next year. Alright, here comes a special grace. Grace our presents. Grace up our
Shake up, shake up, shake up.
No, it's alright. I said not more no shake up. You want me to shake up myself?
Usually they sickle man.
No, it's it. Alright, I hope it's nice. Should have tasted. And now for the steakhouse.
New York steakhouse sauce. Yeah.
Bullseye. First we're gonna use this.
Mm.
Ooh, so nice.
Tasty.
Tasty.
It's spicy. Tastes very nice. It's not very spicy, but it tastes nice.
Tastes tush.
Yeah. Tastes like it will go well with steak.
Alright, let me take out the two little seed, let me see. Mix it up. And go some bumps. And that a my sauce.
Brush.
And nobody can tell me say no nice. So next seed there.
Right, get to outdoor.
That a piece of pineapple.
Get to outdoor pastry brush.
Pastry brush, yes.
See there.
Okay. So this can take out. Alright, ready guys. Oh sorry. Ready peeps.
Ready people?
I move them over to one side because I need the fire for the
Corn and dumpling. treated myself to a Scotch bonnet pepper. See the Scotch bonnet pepper plant, and in the inside, and all of a sudden now, I see something funny. Oh my word, Scotch bonnet pepper farmer is what that. So I can't make it grow indoors again. I'm going to put it out here and it's going to harden it and hopefully get rid of them. So I'm going to put a piece of stick in there and tie it on so it don't drop over. The stick need feet, no, you know, so it look floppy like breeze will blow it over. Yeah. I don't know if it will come or not, people, because it have all kind of little insect and some whitey something. But I'm going to give it the best chance I can. Tying it on so hopefully it don't drop down. And what little sun we get, hopefully burn out whatever this is on it. Please pray for it, peeps. Pray for it, my peeps. My first Scotch bonnet in England. How this steak look? Yeah, taste it. Make we taste it. One we would say. Look well done. It look fairly easy if you just stretch away. Guys, look good in it and no red. Done. That done. We're just waiting now for corn and dumpling. Then we're good to go. Yeah. Little darling, steer it up. You check it again? Or you should peeps my flowers. Well, my vantage point from this angle. Look at that big Karachi sound. I wonder if these things are going to infect my other plants. Yes. Don't say that. Yes, they'll all be infected and all die, except the petunias, which are yellow. When we bought it this year, guys, they said it was some were yellow and some were white. Well, it turns out that they are actually 2 shades of yellow. Yellow. See them there? It's 2 shades of yellow, not a yellow and white. But anyway, they look nice. Not true? Yep. Yeah, they looking good. Dumpling no look bad. My hand can turn them without fear. So I'm still not want to turn it. Yeah, dumpling turner. So, one turn. You know, say our granny used to bake it dumpling. Never used to do pan or grill something. In a zally. Right side of the pot, right on the fire like. Sometimes she'll itch on the pot. Yeah, can I get more heat, so. The meat then done, but we're waiting for corn and dumpling. So next time I see we are share. Yeah, we'll match it out. Share and match it out. Time for match out, I think they're ready. Dumpling done. Corn look done. Meat done. Yeah. Make sure it look good. It look good, people. It look good, yes. That's it. Yeah, just put some on the side. Not put them right on the fire. Okay. Yeah, them they will stay and warm up for seconds. The girls can get this too. Yeah. Big up, big up, big up. Dumpling I'm eager to try. Roast dumpling, pepper dumpling. Try corn. People, this is England. Rain is not a planned thing here. Then we say rain in the forecast and maybe no rain.
Then say what do you say? Chance of showers or something like that.
Can't predict it, yeah. But this is a lovely one. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Nice fish, some steak.
Chicken back. Nice juicy piece of chicken back. So, richness meet poor people halfway. Bam! And we fall right in the middle for sure. We ain't rich, we ain't poor, we're just okay.
Corn nice, dumpling nice. Cassava dumpling, guys, try it. Roast or bake, whatever you call it, cassava dumpling.
One love! You know what we done next? This we drink? Ting.
Oh, you know?
What would you drink with this, guys? Ting would be my choice right now. You know who gave me the inspiration for this chicken back?
Pressa.
Pressa, we see the other day.
Colors from TV.
There's one place I know around here where sell chicken back. Yeah, got one shop. That's where we got it.
You want to heal up anybody? While you have a chance?
Heal up to all the subscribers and friends.
And
And
my
all
mother.
my mother, yeah, Miss Dar. And all the ones who just look, week after week after week, just look. Thanks.
No say nothing. Thanks to. And all the, yeah, we're new friends. Thank you so much. See you in another episode of
Outdoor.
No,
Not
not come down.
outdoor cooking
Adventure,
adventure.
England. What your name down
Watch
there?
out this. Just come in
Chicken back and steak. Jerk chicken back and steak. Outdoor, England. Something like that. You will see what name.
Yeah. We come up with something nice.
Steak well done. That's how I like it. I don't like rare.
Rare nothing.
Nice.
Trying to down close and show you food.
Who let us say if you too fat to them or eat half all of this? No? Yeah, but not one time.
Right, see you next time, guys. Thanks for tuning in. No, carry a piece of steak to them. Carry up my piece of steak. I don't know, you messed up.